By the end of this video, you will know how to close the books in QuickBooks Online. Start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, click the Settings icon shown as a gear. This opens the menu where company and account controls are stored. In that menu, move to the section labeled Your Company. From there, select Account and Settings. This takes you into the area where QuickBooks Online stores company-wide preferences, including accounting controls that affect how your books can be changed. Once the Account and Settings window opens, click the Advanced tab. The Advanced section contains settings that apply to bookkeeping behavior, so this is where the closing option is located. Scroll until you reach the Accounting section. In that row, click the Edit icon shown as a pencil. This opens the accounting settings so you can make changes. If you do not click Edit first, the fields in this section will remain locked. With the section open, turn on the Close the Books toggle. When this setting is enabled, QuickBooks Online allows you to set a closing date for your books. That date marks the point after which changes should be controlled more carefully. After turning the setting on, enter the closing date for the books. Make sure you use the date that matches the period you want to close. This is the key setting that determines which transactions fall before the closed period. You also have an optional restriction available here. If you want tighter control over edits after the closing date, check the option that allows changes only after viewing a warning and entering a password. Once that box is selected, create a closing date password in the field provided. Use a password for your account records, but do not share sensitive details in documentation or on screen. If you do not need that extra restriction, you can leave this option unchecked and continue. After reviewing the closing date and any optional password setting, click Save. This applies the change to your accounting settings. Once the save is complete, click Done to close the settings window and return to QuickBooks Online. At this point, the books are closed based on the date you entered, and QuickBooks Online will handle transactions before that date according to the settings you selected. If you enable the warning and password option, users will need to acknowledge the warning and enter the closing date password before making changes after viewing that notice. If you left that option off, the closing date still remains in place without the added password requirement. The books in QuickBooks Online are now closed with your selected closing date.